Structure of TI plasmid or tumor-inducing plasmid. In nature, plant cells often live in close association of bacteria. These bacteria may provide a convenient vehicle for introducing cloned DNA in plant cell. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a gram-negative soil bacteria causing crown gall disease in many dicots. The molecular biology of this disease shows that this disease is caused by the transfer of a segment of the DNA from bacterial cell to the host plant cell known as tDNA or transfer DNA, which is a part of TI plasmid found in virulent strain of Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This bacteria infect the plant cell through open wound and form the tumor. These tumors may sometimes produce root or shoot or both root and shoot. The tumor cell can be grown on the culture media free of plant growth regulator, while the normal plant cell require the exogenous supply of auxin or cytokinin or both auxin and cytokinin for the growth. It has been observed that the infected plant cell or the gall cells or the tumor cells possess the overproduction of these hormones which cause hyperplasia followed by hypertrophy. As a result, the tumors are formed. TI plasmid is a conjugative megaplasmid, consists of about 200 kilobase DNA. This plasmid is characterized by two important features. The regulatory sequence of some of its genes are recognized by the plant cell, so they can express only in the plant cell, while the remaining genes express in the bacterial cell. The TI plasmid contain a specific tDNA or transfer DNA which can be transferred from bacterial cell to the plant cell. As a result, the genome of plant cell become transformed for uncontrolled cell division to form the tumor. This particular feature make Agrobacterium as natural genetic engineer. The TI plasmid possesses four regions A, B, C and D as common region found in all type of TI plasmid. Region A concerned with the tDNA or the transfer DNA. Region B possesses ORI site of the origin of replication. Region C TRA conjugative transfer. Region D regulate the expression of the tDNA to be transferred from bacterial cell to the plant cell. So it causes the spread of the disease, so called VIR or virulence region. Region A possesses the tDNA. This tDNA is about 23 kilobase. This tDNA on both sides, left and right, flanked by 25 base pair repeat sequence as left border and right border. These border plays a very important role for the transfer of this tDNA. They are found in the cis orientation. The tDNA possesses two important regions, ONC and NOS. ONC region or the oncogenic region cause the formation of the tumor or the gall. This region possesses thr3 important genes, IAAH, IAAM, IPT. IAH, also known as TMS first, tumor with shoot, IAM as TMS second, and IPT as TMR, tumor with root. IAM encode the enzyme which convert tryptophan into indole 3 acetamide, IAM. This IAM is converted into indole 3 acetic acid in presence of the protein encoded by IAH. IPT encode the enzyme which convert the formation of G18-like cytokinin isopentenyl adenine. The abolition or deletion of IAH and IAM cause the formation of shoot on the galls, so-called shooty locus, whereas the deletion or abolition of IPT region cause the formation of the root on the galls called rooty locus. If all the 3 genes are deleted or abolished, there is no formation of the tumor. If either of the H or M is abolished or deleted or undergoes the mutation, it causes the slow growth of the galls as the level of the IA become decrease. It form a leafy shoot with no root or a few roots. Besides these 3 genes, one more gene is present, TML. If this TML is abolished or deleted from the tDNA, it causes the formation of large tumor. The next region is the NOS, Nopalin opine synthetase region. This region is responsible for the formation of nitrogenous compound, the derivative of amino acid known as opine. The common opine of Ti plasmid are octopine and nopalin. Octopine is synthesized in presence of octopine synthetase and nopalin in presence of nopalin synthetase. Any Ti plasmid may contain either octopine or nopalin opine. For example, this one is the diagram of the nopalin type of the Ti plasmid. These opines are used by the bacterial cell as a source of carbon and nitrogen. Besides, as a source of energy, these opines plays a very important role for the formation of conjugation tube. These opines are neither synthesized by the plant cell nor they are utilized by the plant cell as a source of energy. Next region is the VIR region. This VIR region is composed of about 39 kilobase DNA. It possesses 8 operon having 25 genes. These operons are VIR or VIR A, VIR B, C, D, E, F, G and H. VIR A or VIR A encode the protein located on the plasma membrane of bacterial cell. VIR A protein sense the presence of phenolic compound released from the wounded plant tissue. VIR A protein bind to these phenolic compound. These are acetosyringon and beta hydroxy acetosyringon. After the binding of these phenolic compound with the VIR A gene, it becomes active. This VIR A protein function as autokinase. It phosphorylates itself. The phosphorylated A protein give the signal to VIR G protein. As a result, the G protein become phosphorylated. The phosphorylated G protein form a active dimer. This phosphorylated active dimer of G protein function as transcription factor. And bind to the DNA. So the VIR gene protein is a DNA binding protein. The binding of this G protein at the DNA activate all the 8 operons for the expression of the gene. VIRB encode the protein and enzymes which form a channel in the plasma membrane for the transfer of the tDNA. So it forms a conjugation tube. The VIRC protein act as helicase, act for the unwinding of tDNA. Will D1 function as topoisomerase. It binds to the right border and relax the tDNA from supercoiling. One more D protein D2 function as endonuclease. It binds to the right border and make a nick in the bottom strand of this tDNA and release this tDNA and bind at the 5 end of this tDNA. The binding of D2 at the 5 end protect this end from the activity of exonuclease. Besides this protection, the D2 also provide the polarity to the single strand of the DNA. VIRE operon synthesize a specific protein known as SSB protein, single strand binding protein. When the single strand of the tDNA release, this SSB protein bind to this strand and protect this tDNA from the activity of the nuclease enzymes present in bacterial as well as in plant cell. The VIRF protein function against or repress the defense mechanism, defense response of plant cell. VIRH protein has not been observed from all TI plasmids or from the Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This protein, it has been suggested that provide the specificity of host. So these are the different function of the VIR gene responsible for the virulence of the disease. The TI plasmid is used for the indirect gene transfer through recombinant DNA technology. If any gene or the DNA segment having the desirable character is joined between the left and the right border, it can be transferred to the plant cell to produce the transgenic plant. In the next video, we will discuss the mechanism of the transfer of tDNA from bacterial cell to the plant cell or agrobacterium mediated gene transfer. Thank you.